This video explains steps to import payroll vouchers. Create the Excel document using the recommended Excel formats. Make sure that all of the mandatory columns are appropriately filled up in Excel files. Tally ODBC may be used to connect fast in Flow Excel to Tally. Navigate to the Accounts Vouchers menu and choose the Payroll form. Select the prepared Excel file and click the Load Excel button at the bottom of the screen. If the Excel file does not load and an error message appears, see the lists of common errors for resolution. To analyze the loaded data, use data grid features like as filtering, searching, and grouping. To check the presence of linked masters of the voucher, click the Verify Masters button at the bottom of the screen. For example, ledgers, cost centers, stock items, godowns, units, voucher types, and so on may be validated, and missing masters can be automatically constructed. To pick the default voucher type and further parameters, click the Configuration button, upper right of the grid. To Tally, upload either all or selected vouchers now. Now click the Upload to Tally button to immediately upload information into Tally. Use the checkbox on the left side of the data grid. Details about imported records may be seen in the import process, log, and report. After the upload is complete, users must review and verify the tally. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastinflow.com.